When I first went to Fredericksburg Christian Health Center, I was on 2,300 milligrams of pain medicine. And today I am on 600. Dr. Steiner has helped me get the confidence enough to start coming down on some of the pain medicines that pain management had me on, such high doses. And he's always encouraged me in any way he could. It's not that I don't have flares, pain flares. I do have pain flares. It's that my pain flares are not as long. They don't last as long, and they don't seem to be as bad anymore. I feel like I gained my life back.
Now, my wife and I talked about it. We really don't know if I would be here if it wasn't for Dr. Steiner. I wasn't taking care of myself at all, mentally, physically, emotionally. I just wasn't. I was a mess. Right away, what Dr. Steiner did for me was diagnose my diabetes. He knew basically that, there was something that wasn't good. The emotion I felt was relief. Like, okay, I think we found somebody that truly cares, that's going to take care of me. And here I am, however many years later. It's been a long time.
I just wanted to give up on myself. I thought I was doing well. The devil stepped in and he nope, I think the best thing for you to do is walk up here to that bridge and jump. And I called my sister and I told her, come get me. And they did. They took me to the hospital. And from there, it was scary because they had a guard on the outside of the door. And I'm like, why is that? And my sister said, because you're suicidal. And they just want to make sure that you're okay and you don't bring harm to yourself. And I was like, man, that scared me. Then they wouldn't let me go home. They sent me to Snowden. And I was there for 7 days. It was the scariest days of my life, but it was the best days after that because it helped me to understand me, to understand the sickness that I had. The reason why I go to Fredericksburg Christian Health Center is at one time I didn't have insurance. Then when I did get insurance, I still stayed with Fredericksburg Christian Health Center. I believe God sent me there. I mean, you don't have to go different places. You just go there and you just talk to them and they're going to put you in the right direction and they're going to take care of you. So
with other doctors, it was get in, get out. There's nothing wrong with you. All your tests are showing up that there's nothing wrong with you. Dr. Steiner, every test that was coming up negative, Dr. Steiner did not make me feel like I was crazy, and he kept searching for answers.
My mental health has been a struggle for a long time, for as long as I can remember. I just didn't do anything about it. I just kind of said, oh, well, that's for that person to worry about it. I'll be okay. Well, I wasn't okay. My mom got really, really sick, to the point where we woke up, the four of us kids, my other two brothers and my sister, and my mom had left. She left us. My dad was out on a business trip, and my mom said, this is my opportunity, and she packed up a little bit of stuff and she left us. She didn't want to see us go through what she was going through with her mentally. I probably get part of it from my mom, but if we did not get my medication regimen correct, I'd probably be in a hospital or dead. I want to see my grandkids grow up, and I want to walk my daughters down the aisle. So I'm very vigilant about my health. I can honestly say I wouldn't be like that if it wasn't for this place here. I'm here today because of them. And that's a fact. I'm alive today because of them.
Fredericksburg Christian Health Center, Dr. Steiner, all of his staff has been instrumental with keeping my family together. They care for you as a person. They care for you spiritually. They care about your mind. You get everything you need here. You don't have to go to so many different doctors. And then you go away feeling loved.
And I've been through a lot. I don't mean, to cry. But when I met Dr. Steiner, I was really, really sick. And he was like, can I pray for you? And it threw me because I was like, I thought he was going to go out and he was going to bring somebody else in to pray for me. But no, this man laid his hand on my shoulder and he prayed for me. And I said, this is my doctor.
They genuinely care about my spiritual health, not just my physical health. Obviously, Dr. Steiner's a doctor, but my spiritual health, I think, means just as much to him as my physical health. It's just nice walking out of the office and feeling uplifted when I leave, regardless of what I'm in there for.
If there's no other doctor that I would ever want to go see again, he's going to look out for me regardless of my diabetes, my bipolar, depression, whatever it is. He takes time with me, he talks with me, and he understands whatever I'm going through.
You're not a chart. You're not a number. The whole staff definitely knows who you are. They ask about you. When you call, they know who you are. They know your situation because they care about you.
It helps you live a little bit better and relax, sleep at night because you got somebody that's looking out for you and somebody that prays for you. That's the most important thing, is praying for you.
My name is Chris, and I'm a patient at Fredericksburg Christian Health Center.
My name is Kelly, and I'm a patient of Fredericksburg Christian Health Center.
My name is Lisa Watson, and I'm a patient of Fredericksburg Christian Health Center.